Hello students, today we are going to continue our exercise 2.1 from R.D. Sharma. So let's do it. So let's start from question number 7. Simplify the following. Here you can see there is the question 3 raised to power n into 9 raised to power n plus 1 upon 3 raised to power n minus 1 into 9 raised to power n minus 1. So we have to simplify it in terms. So first what we have to do, we can break down these terms in this way. First we will write 3 raised to power n into then 3 raised to power 2 into n plus 1, then here also 3 raised to power n minus 1 into 3 raised to power 2 n minus 1. Now after this you can see we can do this 3 raised to power n, 3 raised to power 2 into n, 2n plus 2 into 1 2 upon 3 raised to power n into 3 raised to power minus n. We can break down this n minus 1 in this way, then 3 raised to power 2 n minus 2 here. Now after that, when we know that when base are same, powers will multiply. Similarly we will break down here also 3 raised to power n, 3 raised to power 2 n into 3 raised to power 2. In this way we can do. Here also 3 raised to power n into 3 raised to power minus 1 into 3 raised to power 2n into 3 raised to power minus 2. In this way we can break down. So students, now we can cancel out the terms which are same. 3 raised to power 2n cancel out here, 3 raised to power 2, okay, 2 will be there, 3 raised to power n, 3 raised to power n. In this way we can cancel out. Now what are remaining, we have to focus on them. Now 3 raised to power 2 into, this will go upside, power will positive, 3 raised to power 1 into, this will go upside, 3 raised to power 2. Now it will become 9 into 3 into 9. 9 9s are 81, 81 into 3, 243. So it's very simple, you can do easily. I hope you understood this solution. Okay, now we are moving to next question. Give attention to next question very soon. So this is our second question of second part of 7th question. Now here also we have to do same thing what we have done yet. Okay, so now what we have done in previous one we have to do here also. Now first 5 into, here we can write 5 raised to power 2 into n plus 1, it will become 2n plus 2, then minus 5 raised to power 2 into 5 raised to power 2n. Here we have to do this. Okay, now here also 5 raised to power 5 into 5 raised to power 2 n plus 3 minus, once again 25 means 5 raised to power 2 into n plus 1, then it means 5 raised to power 2 n plus 2. Similarly what we have done in previous one. Now students, we have to move like this again. 5 into 5 raised to power 2 n into 5 raised to power 2 minus 5 raised to power 2 into 5 raised to power 2 n upon, here also 5 into 5 raised to power 2 n into 5 raised to power 3 minus 5 raised to power 2 n into 5 raised to power 2. In this way we can split the terms very fast. Now we can see here 5 raised to power 2n is common here, here. Okay, so we will take out 5 raised to power 2n then what will happen? I am just solving here. 5 raised to power 2n I have taken outside from upwards, so it means inside you will get 5 into 5 raised to power 2 minus here also 5 raised to power 2. Okay, nothing else we have to take out. Now here also we will take 5 raised to power 2n outside. What will remain inside? 5 into 5 raised to power 3 minus 5 raised to power 2 only. Okay, now students, we can cancel out the terms. 5 raised to power 2n, 5 raised to power 2n cancel out, it will divide. Now inside we have 5 raised to power 2 and 5 raised to power 3 here. Okay, now what will we do here? Now I can bring out 5 raised to power 2 from here, so it will become like this: 5 raised to power 2 minus 5 raised to power 2. I can take common 5 raised to power 2 here. Directly I will do. So it will become 5 minus 1 upon here also I will do same. So it will become 5 into 5 minus 1. So from here you can see 5 raised to power 3 we have taken out 5 raised to power 2, so 5 is remaining, that's why. So now I will cancel out here, 5 raised to power 2 cancel out, 5 raised to power 2 cancel out. Now it will become like this. Here 5 raised to power 5 minus 1, it will become 4 upon 5 is 25, 25 minus 1, 24. So now you can divide it, you will get 4 into 4, 4 6 is 24. The answer is 1 upon 6. So I hope you understood this solution very easily. Okay, now we are moving to next one, so let's move on. Third one. So third question is also simple. You can see here it is 5 raised to power n plus 3 minus 6 into 5 raised to power n plus 1 upon 9 into 5 raised to power n minus 2 raised to power 2 into 5 raised to power n. Now what will we do? We will same thing we will do here also. Now 5 raised to power n into 5 raised to power 3 minus 2 raised to power, now here 2 into 3, so I will do like this: 2 into 3, 2 3 6, 5 raised to power n into 5 raised to power 1. So it becomes simple. Now you can see 9 into 5 raised to power n minus 2 raised to power 2 into 5 raised to power n. Now here in both term you can see here 5 raised to power n, here also 5 raised to power n, 5 raised to power n. So we can take common for this. So we will take 5 raised to power n upwards as well as downwards from here. So it will become 5 raised to power 3 minus 2 into 3 means 2 into 3 into 5. Okay, we have taken out 5 raised to power n common here, from here, from here and here. Okay, so now what will happen? Downwards 9 minus 2 raised to 2. Okay, now after this we can cancel out 5 raised to power n, 5 raised to power n. Now we will have 5 raised to power 3 means 125. Okay, 125 minus 2 3 6, 6 5 are 35, 6 5 are 30. Okay, now 2 3 6, 6 5 are 30. Here 9 minus 4 means here also we can take out 5. Okay, so it will become 125 minus 30. So what is 125 minus 30? So it will become 95 upon 5. 5 into 5, 5 into 5 into 5, 5 into 5, 4 carry 5 into 45. The answer is 19 here. So I hope you understood this also. This is very easy question, you can understand. So after this we are moving to next one. Let's move on. Now fourth question is similar. Here you can see 6 into 8 raised to power n plus 1 here plus 6 into 2 raised to power 3n minus 2. Similarly we will do all. Now here also we will take something. Okay, 6 into 8 raised to power n into 8 raised to power 1. So all terms are multiplied now. I have taken out. Okay, plus 16 into 2 raised to power 3 and minus means 2 raised to power minus 2. Now what we have to do? Here also we will do the same. 10 into 2 raised to power 3n into 2 raised to power 1 minus 7 into 2 raised to power 3n. We can write 8 in the form of 2 raised to power 3. Okay, so 3 into n, 3n. Okay, now here what we have to do? Now you can see here also 3n, here also 3n, only this is remaining. So 8 can be written as 2 raised to power 3 and we can write here 2 raised to power 3n. So it will become 2 raised to power 3n. So now we can do many things with here. Now first we have to take out common 2 raised to power 3n, 2 raised to power 3n, 2 raised to power 3n, 2 raised to power 3n. So we can take out common from here. We will make 2 raised to power 3n outside. We will divide afterwards. Come on. So here what we have to do? 2 raised to power 3n we have taken out. Now here 2 into 3 into 8 plus 16 into 2 raised to power 2 raised to power minus 2. Now here we have taken common. Okay, so we cannot put into here. We will put bracket here also, bracket. So 10 into 2 minus 7, 3 and common na. Okay, now what will it will cancel out. Now here what we have to do? Now students, give attention to this. 2 3 is 6, 6 8 is 48, 48 plus 16 to the 32. No need to put this. Okay, 2 3 is 6, 6 8 is 48, 48 plus 16. Okay, 16 into 2 raised to power minus 2. So it means 16 into 1 upon 4 upon 10 into 20, 10 into 2, 20, 20 minus 7. Here we can cancel out 4 and 4, 4 4 is 16, 48 plus 4, 52, 52 upon 13. Okay, now 52 upon 13 we can solve it. 13 4 is 52. So it is equal to 4. I hope you understood this. These are the basic questions which we have to do. Okay, so the answer is 4 here. If you have doubt you can ask. Now we are moving to next question, 8th one. Here in this question we have to solve for x. We have to solve the question for x. We have to find the value of x here. Now what we have to do? We have to do, you can see 7 raised to power 2x plus 1 equal to 1. We have to solve for x. Now 7 raised to power 2x plus 3 equal to 1. It can be like this also. Now students, give attention here. 1 can be, the power of 1 can be anything. Okay, so but 7, you can write is in this way, 2 raised to power 2x into 7 raised to power 3 equal to 1. Okay, now what will happen? Something is divided here, it is multiplied. Now here 7 raised to power 2x equal to 7 raised to power in, now it will divide here, it will go right hand side, it will go right hand side. Now what will happen? It will go right hand side, it will become negative, means 7 raised to power 3. Now 7 raised to power 2x equal to 7 raised to power minus 3. It means 2x equals to minus 3. Base are same, power are. Okay, so 2x is equal to minus 3. Now here x equals to minus 3 upon 2. So this is the answer. I hope you understood this solution. Okay, so I hope you understood this solution. What we have done here? Now student, give attention. First we have done this, then I split it in two terms, and this term will be divided. When we move this term to right hand side, then it will become upwards, power will negative, then this happen. Okay, so now we are moving to next question. Now 8th second part. So what will we do here? Give attention. 2x plus 1 equal to 4x minus 3. Okay, so students, give attention. Here we can write 2x plus 1 equal to 2 into 2 x minus 3. Okay, so it means 2 raised to power x plus 1 equal to 2 raised to power 2x minus 6. 2 is multiplied by 3, so it will become like this. So x plus 1 is equals to 2x minus 6. So 2x minus x equal to 6 plus 1. So x equal to 7. So it is very simple to understand the question. Now this one also, I hope you understood the solution. Now we are moving to next question. Let's do it. So these were questions. Now third one. Here also you have to give attention. 2 raised to power 5x plus 3, you can write 2 raised to power 3 equal to 2 raised to power 3x into 2 raised to power 3. Now what we can do? It is better to make it simple. We make it like this: 2 raised to power 3 into x means 3x plus 3 into 3, you will get 9. So here we can say that 5x plus 3 is equals to 3x plus 9. So 5x minus 3 equal to 9 minus 3. It is equals to 6. It is equal to 2x. X equal to 6 upon 2. Here you can see 2 into 2, 2 3 is 6. X equal to 3. Okay. Now students, give attention to this. We have to give attention on the right thing, whatever is going on through the life. Now you have to give attention to next question. We are moving to next question. It is also a simplest question whatever I thought. Now give attention. 2 raised to power 2 into 2, 2x means 2 raised to power 2, we can write. So 2 into 2, 4. So 2 raised to power 4x equal to, now 1 upon 32. 32 is 2 raised to power 5. It means 2 raised to power 4x equals to 2 raised to power minus 5. Here you can write 4x equals to minus 5, x equals to minus 5 upon 4. So this is the solution. These are the easy solution. Now I hope you understood this solution easily. Now we are moving to next one. Here also we have to use simple thing. Now 0.5 is the term here which it is introduced. Now here we can take one thing. Now first 2 is to power 2 x minus 2 into 0.5 into 3. 0.5 means 1 upon 2. 0.5 means 1 upon 2. 2 is to power 3 minus 2x equal to 1 upon 8 means 2 is to power 3. The whole power is x. Now you will realize the same thing whatever I am thinking about this question. Now here first 2 is to power 2x minus 2 into 2 is to power minus 1 into 3 minus 2x equal to 2 is to power minus 3 into x. Now I hope you understood this. Now base are same. First we have to open the bracket here. So we are moving to the fact about this. 2x minus 2 into 2x minus 3, 2 raised to power minus 3 plus 2x. It is 2x, okay. So we have to give attention to this. It is 2x. Now here also we have to put attention. 2 raised to power minus 3x. Now base are same, power will add, already we know that. Okay, so we have to do this. 2 is to power 2x minus 2 minus 3 plus 2x equal to 2 is to power 3x. That is minus 2 is to power minus 3x. It means 2x minus 2 minus 3 means minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 plus 2x equal to minus 3x. So minus 3x will go the left hand side and 5 will go right hand side. 2x plus 2x 4x. So here we can say that 4x plus 3x 7x. 7x equals to 5. Then you can easily understand x equals to 5 upon 7. I hope you understood this question as well. This is the very easy question, you can understand smartly. Okay, I have solved here everything. Now give attention to next one. We have to focus on sixth part of this question. Here we have to do 2 raised to power 3x minus, same thing is there, 3x minus 7. We know that 2 raised to power. Now here what is 256? When we 2 raised to power 8 is 256. 2 raised to power 8. I hope 2 raised to power, okay. Now 2 raised to power 8 means 3x minus 7 is equals to 8. You can see 3x equal to 8 plus 7, x equals to 15 upon 3. Then you can subtract it, 3 1 3, 3 5 15. X equals to 5. answer. So I hope sixth question was very simple. 2 raised to power 8 is 256. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, and 32 to the 64, 64 to the 128, 128 to the 256. It is the 8th time.